Hey guys, Ali from Alta Racks. How are you? Hey, we're here, beautiful Hurricane, Utah, for Hurricane Mountain Bike Festival, showcasing some of our new products here, super cool stuff, and we're super excited to be bringing this out to you. The feedback's just been amazing. We're super stoked on this stuff. So, you know the Chimenea, we already sell this. This is at our show, it's kind of a staple that we bring out. But the biggest deal is really the swinger that we got here going on. You have this set up with the swinger to give you that full access to the back of the van. You have a full swinger system here that is rated 300 pounds open. Again, this is rated for 300 pounds open. It's not like, hey, when you open you gotta have the bikes up. Nope, it's 300 pounds open. One of the things that this swinger brings you is a guide system. So you gotta pull the pin to close it. So pull in the pin, basically bring it back with you, and that guide system gets the rack right in, and then you have the rack in, and then just as easy, swing it out. Custom bushing bearing system that makes a smooth operation even with the bikes on. Next we got the ARCYLON and the Alta Solo kind of combo together here. And you can see here's our platform carrier that will carry up to 300 pounds, and it's fully adjustable for pretty much any wheelbase. It comes with a built-in ramp and also has a receiver built into it that allows you to plug in any other racks, as you can see here. So you can see you've got a single carrier, you can have a dirt bike, you can also have this with a 5 or 6 pack in there. So next is our lifestyle system, which is a table that stores on the rack with the bikes on, and then when you take the bikes off, you can plug this baby in and have your kitchen set up. So once you get to base camp, you could be doing your cooking, warming up, making some tea, cooking up some burritos, you name it. This is your setup. It's made for families. It's made for being at trailhead for long periods of time. Allows you to kind of create a support structure for your riders out there. Hope you're having a great day. This is Ali from Alta Racks from Hurricane, Utah. See ya.